the funny thing is one of the first things that I was healed of was low back pain. So I used to have to get in the fetal position every time I sneezed, or it just like, because when you contract your abdominal muscles, it also contracts your low back muscles, and it pained me so bad that I would just automatically crouch down so that I could avoid that as much as possible. And so when I first realized that I could sneeze standing up, which sounds ridiculous. I can sneeze standing up. You know, it sounds ridiculous, but that was my first wow moment.